Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block contacts on Bumble. It's very easy. All you need to do is come here, okay, at the bottom right, click on chat. So you want to access the chat and the profile of the person you want to block, right? Let's say I want to block this person. All I need to do is click on their profile, and then we'll go ahead and scroll down right here. Okay, keep scrolling down, and then I want you to click on unmatch and report. So once you do this, effectively they will also block this person. Okay, and you can select a reason, whatever reason you would like. You can select that and then go ahead and block them. So can choose anything, can give them feedback, help, can click on submit. Okay, so now this person has been blocked officially by you.